Last week I had the great opportunity to work with the C-suite of a leading bank, and to say that their minds were blown by what is happening with generative AI is an understatement. Up until this point they had thought it was a technical project, something that IT would deploy, and now they realise it's clearly not. This is a restructuring, it's a hyper-automation, it's a revolution. It's not just some little add-on to create some efficiencies. And what we were able to do with the C-suite within 2 days is that they were able to write agents. None of these people are technical. They were able to write and create agents that were able to automate the entire creation of courses that would be required within the Skills Academy inside their organization. And the agents were able to make wonderful courses and scripts, questions, answers, everything, all the materials. And the AI agent at the end was able to produce these every 30 minutes. So, I mean, they've seen the power of what this can do. There's currently teams of doing this taking 2 months, 30 minutes. And this can be repeated over and over again. Now, here is the steps that I think leaders need to understand if they want to get that kind of hyper-automation and what they should do with the people. The first of all, it requires structured thinking. Structured thinking, in my mind, is the idea of being able to give detailed descriptions of everything that you want to happen in the future state. Not the old way of doing it. You need to describe in a structured, logical manner the new state of how you see the operations of your organization or the products within your organization or the systems. That then allows you to test them with prompts. So we're used to writing prompts with ChatGPT. Prompts are usually things that you would do as a one-off. So you want to make a policy. Well, that's just a one-off. So you do use a prompt. But when it's repeated and used multiple times, you create an agent. The agents can be created by any user on ChatGPT or any of the other common platforms. And agents are usually smaller subdivided sections. So for our courses, you would have take the course title and the learner outcomes that you require and put them in. The second agent will then take that and do some research. The third agent will then take that and turn it into a full course and coursework materials. The fourth agent will take that, turn it into scripts. The fifth agent, you see the idea. So the agents tend to do single functions and you tie the agents together and that then creates a workflow. The workflows typically then get more complicated because you attach in data points in order to feed and customize your workflow. Once we get to that stage, you start to tie workflows together and you start to see full functions and hyper-automation emerge from that situation. To say that senior leaders who are not technologists were able to complete this within 2 days is mind-blowing. When you then have to apply the technical end to it, the technical people will be needed. They're still needed, but it's at a different end of the function spectrum. They're not there at the start. You can write really detailed technical requirements using AI and give it to them. What happens to those people from the roles inside the education department? There are so many things that the bank would like to do. Its ambition is high. It would like to innovate. It would like to create more, but it doesn't have the capacity. It doesn't have the time. Now it does. This is the age for innovators. This is the time when leaders stand up and say, I understand the technical capabilities of this stuff. I understand that it is a leadership function. We're going to hyper-automate internally and we are going to create more value at the front end of our business than has ever been seen before. We're going to redefine this industry. I hope you can do that. I hope you can take that challenge on. We are a small consultancy firm. We work all over the world. If you need any assistance, check out our website, make contact with us. We'd love to see you.